If you struggle with milk steaming, this video is for you. It's going to give you the key steps that will help you learn and improve the way you steam your milk so that you can create that perfect milk texture, which will enable you to create a good latte art on your cup of coffee like a professional barista. This is the most common challenge every beginner barista faces, and if you don't learn and perfect it very well, it will be impossible for you to create a perfect and consistent latte art on your cup of coffee. Milk steaming is a barista skill that takes a lot of time for most of the barista to learn very well. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 steps that I believe can help you improve the way you steam your milk to be able to create a perfect milk texture for a good latte art. Even as a home barista or as a beginner barista, these simple steps, you can follow them perfectly and you will be able to create that perfect milk texture. I'm going to start with the first step, which is the positioning of our steaming one into our milk jug. You position your steaming one at the center of the milk jug, then slightly move it on the side. So when you're steaming your milk, the pressure will be able to create a vortex, which will help in texturing your milk to result into a perfect milk texture. After understanding the positioning of your milk jug, you can try it with water so that you can really understand how the vortex is going to move in a circular motion to texture your milk to bring out that perfect milk texture when you're steaming real milk. This is the vortex movement. It's because we have positioned our steaming one in the right position. This is why we are able to achieve the vortex. So you can try this first step until you can learn and perfect the way of positioning your steaming one. Then we can go and try the second step. The second step, I'm going to be focusing on creating that silky foam on top of the milk. So to achieve this, we are not going to waste our milk, so we're going to be using soap. We're going to be using liquid soap so that we can steam it and create that silky foam on top of the water that we're going to use in the second step. So we're going to add a few drops of liquid soap into the water, then steam it so that you can be able to create that silky foam on top of this soap and water we are using. This will be able to give you a good result when you're using milk. You'll be able to achieve a silky foam that will be good for your latte art pouring. So this silky texture is only soap and water. We haven't used milk. You can see the real texture that we're going to need for our milk. So you can try this second step one more time until you can perfect it very well before moving on to use the third step. After learning and perfecting the first step and the second step, then we're going to try the third step, and this third step we're going to be using real milk. But one thing you should keep in mind, we are using full fat milk. If you're a beginner barista, you need to start with a full fat milk, which has the right amount of fats in it. We're going to follow the first step and the second step. The first step of positioning the steaming one in the right position so that we can inject in our air into our milk to create that perfect milk foam, and also a vortex to texture our milk to create that silky texture, which is going to result into a good latte art. By following these 3 simple steps, this is how you can improve the way you steam your milk to create that silky texture for a better latte art. One other thing that you must know, milk steaming takes time to perfect. So don't fear to fail. You can fail and try again. until you can fix the small mistakes and be able to steam your milk and create a good latte art on your cup of coffee. For more videos about barista training and creating a good latte art video, check out this video next on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.